Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm reviewing some AUTOSAVER88 tow mirrors on my 2014 Ram 1500. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, so in the box, you can see it comes with everything needed to install. It's got your 3 mounting bolts, your wires. It does come with the mirrors, the heated mirrors. And this does have the puddle light and turn signal light. There's the turn signal. The thing I'm going to have to get changed on mine is I'm going to have to get the factory computer flushed because it didn't come with turn signal lights on the mirrors, but that should be an easy fix once I run the wires and all. So let's get these installed. Let me show you what's currently on it. I currently have non-tow mirrors, and these I added on extra. Usually they're just one flush mirror. Alright, so first thing you have to do is remove this panel off right here, which I don't have any trim tools, so I just use my fingers and pull. It's only 1-2 tabs that go right here. And then after that you'll have 1, 2, and 3 bolts to take off. They're 10 millimeters, so don't lose that. And then some have a special bracket that goes here down, which you have to take the whole door panel off of. Mine doesn't have that, luckily, but I will have to take it off anyway for this wire. And to remove your door panel, you're going to need a T20 Torx head bit, and these just come out, and then there's a pop, kind of like a spread lock deal. And then here for the door handle, you're going to need to pop this off with a screwdriver or small razor, and then use a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, so now the door panel is off. Once you get all those screws out and that one Phillips head screw, the door panel just slides up. I'm just letting my dangle on the hook and on the wire. You can take the connectors off, but it's such a light door panel, it's not going to cause any problems. Alright, next up you take off these 3 nuts, and the washers are connected, so don't worry about dropping those. And then you run this wire down all the way to here, and you're going to pull it out and disconnect it right there. You're going to cut this or unravel this black tape, and then have another person hold that while you take this last one off and pull it out. Alright, next up for the new mirror, you're going to need to cut this piece off of the very top edge, or else you're going to hit the body panel. And all I used for this was a little hacksaw, and I got it done in less than a minute. So after that, you can go ahead and reinstall this. You can even put the old rubber grommet off your old mirror back on here. And then you have to connect these 2 wires and then the same 3 bolts. So let's get to it. Alright, so I went ahead and installed it. As you can see, this is the shaved bolt head, and these 2 are still long. This one has a dimple right here for this one, but this one would have ended up pushing out that plastic piece and rubbing into there. So I had to trim that. And then next up you run the wires down, and you still have the original black and white. The black will go up top and the white will go down here. Just like that until you hear it snap, and then they're both in. For those of you that don't have factory turn signals in your mirror, you will have to get your computer flashed by a dealership to get them to work, but that's not much. Next up, you put the door panel back on after you tightened everything off. You do need to tape this back to here so it doesn't rub and get cut, but that's it. And now that you're done, you'll have a finished install. Pretty sturdy, pretty strong. I like it a lot. Like I said, you'll still have to get your computer flash to get the turn signal and puddle light to work, but the dealership should know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching my video.